Hello, all of you, and welcome to our channel 7 Sense Aptitude Prep. It's your channel as well, and we continue loading the videos that are going to help students become much better at aptitude and help them secure entrance into the institute of their choice or help them bag their dream job. I'm Vinod Prabhu, and today we are going to look at another video on Vedic maths, and this video is going to be on multiplication of two 4-digit numbers. How can you do that without writing the intermediate steps that we all have learned in school? So to do this, we have a shortcut known as rainbow multiplication shortcut. Okay, but the original name of this shortcut is in Sanskrit. It is Urdhva Tiryag Urdhva Tiryagpyam. Okay, what does this mean? Urdhva is vertical, Tiryag is cross. Okay, and this is the shortcut. We will see what they mean by Urdhva Tiryagpyam. Another place where I want to emphasize how strong our ancestors were in all the aspects, even more so in calculations. Okay, so what does it mean by rainbow multiplication? What does it mean by vertical and cross? Let us take two-digit numbers. I will explain this shortcut and we'll progressively move to the 4-digit number. Then it will be easy. So if you get 41 into 31, what does it say? Is that you do 2 vertical. So 4 into 3, 12. You do 2 vertical here, you write 1. Then you do cross. 4 into 1 plus 3 into 1, which is 7. So this is what the answer is for this question. Okay, let's look at 32 into 21. First you do vertical, 3 into 2, 6, 2 into 1, 2, then you do 3 into 1 plus 2 into 2. 3 into 1 is 3 plus 4, 7, 6, 72. Now let's look at 78, 28. Okay, first vertical, 7 into 2, 14. Next here, 8 into 8, 64, 4 with a carry of 6, remember. Then 7 into 8, which is 56, 56 plus 16, which is 72. And to 72, we add 6, so it becomes 78. So it is 8, 4, 4 plus 7. The answer is 2184. 2184. Let's look at 37 into 39. What do we get? Let's say we write it this way. It's easier for everyone. 3 into 3, 9. 9 sevens are 63 with a carry of 6. 9 into 3 is 27. 27 plus 21 is 48. 48 plus this 6 is 54. So I write 5. So it becomes 3, 4, 9 plus 5 is 14. This is the rainbow multiplication shortcut. For 2-digit numbers, it's pretty straightforward. What we do is x, y, a, b, right? You multiply x into a and write here. You multiply y into b, you write here. And then you do this cross addition. Bx plus ay. Okay? Bx plus ay you write here as the middle digit. And wherever there is a carry, you write the carry. If you want more numbers to practice, you can always look at any two-digit numbers like 99 and 91. Okay, 9 nines is 81. 9 into 1 is 9. 9 into 1 is 9 plus 9 into 9 is 81. So it is 90. So 0, the carry of 9, it becomes 9009. Now that we have looked at rainbow multiplication for 2 digits, let us look at 3 digits. Okay, let us take two 3-digit numbers, 785 and 393. So what we do first is to write this 7 into 3. I would write that as 21. Then since it is 3-digit numbers, first you take this and do cross. Cross is always the priority. If you can do cross, do cross. Only if you can't do cross, do we do vertical. Okay. So 7 into 9, 63. 63 plus 24 is 87. Then, 1 minute. In the next step, you do this. Take the entire set of 3 numbers. Now what you have to do is you multiply cross like this, and then you do vertical 8 and 9. Okay, multiplying cross 7 into 3 23, 21, 21 plus 5 into 3 15, 36. So remember 36 in your mind. 36, 9 into 8 is 72, 72 plus 36 is 108. So I write 108 8 and I write 10 here. Then see, it is like this. We have climbed up to the mountain. So initially we take only 2 numbers, 7 into 3, then it becomes tougher. Then you do 7 into 8, 7 into 9 and 8 into 3. Then here it becomes very tough. You have to do 7 into 3 plus 5 into 3 plus 8 into 9. Okay, so then it becomes easier. Now again, so initially you did 1 set of numbers. Now then you do 2 set of numbers, then you do 3. Again you do 2 set of numbers, and then you do 1. It becomes easier. Next, what do we do is you remove this here and you remove this here. You take these two numbers, 8 into 3 and 9 into 5. Since you can do cross is priority. 8 into 3 is 24 plus 5 into 9 is 45, 69. Okay, and then lastly you just take, don't take this now, you only take this set, only do this vertical, 5 into 3, 15. Okay, we write 5, 9 plus 1, 10, 1 more carry, 8 plus 6 plus 1 then, which is 15, 1 carry, so 7 plus 1 plus 10, 18, so 8 and then 1 carry, 8 plus 1 plus 1 which is 10, 1 carry and then 3. This is the answer, 308505. For the next number I have taken, so 901 into 8 to 5. I have written how you have to group. First you group 9 into 8. You group 1 digit in each row. 9 into 8, we get 72. So write 72 here. Then you group 2 digits in each row. 9 0 and 8 2. 9 into 2 is 18. 8 plus 0. 8. 9 into 2 is 18. 8 into 0 is 0. So we get 18. Then we group 3. 9 into 5 is 45. 45 plus 8 is 53. Remember 53. 2 into 0 is 0. So you write 53. Then again you group 2 digits each, which is 0, 1 and 2, 5. 0 into 5 is 0, 2 into 1 is 2, you write 2. And then the last grouping 1 into 5, which is 5. So your number is 5, 2, 3, 13, 4, 7, 4, 3, 3, 2, 5. We'll look at probably one more set. Okay, 4, 9, 8. I'll probably do it on a new slide. Okay, we'll go to the new slide. Okay, we'll do 498 into, I would want all of you to do it with me, 498 into 223. Just think, first what we do is 4 and 2, that is vertical. Cross multiply first vertical if cross is not possible. Then you do 4, 9 and 2, 2. Since cross is possible, you do cross. It is first. Then you do all 3. We do 4, 9, 8, 2, 2, 3. You do these 2 cross and then these 2 vertical. Then the fifth number you do 9, 8 and 2, 3. Since you can do cross, you do cross. And finally 8, 3. Since you can't do cross, you do vertical. So for 498 and 223, we have grouped, right? So we have grouped firstly 1 digit per row, then 2 digits per row, then 3 digits per row, 4, then again 2 digits per row, and then 1 digit per row. So where you can do cross, you do cross. Where you can't do cross, you do vertical. First 4 into 2, we get this. This becomes 8. Then you do 4 into 2, 8. 8 plus 9 into 2. 8 plus 18 is 26. So this I write here. Okay. Then you do 4 into 3, 12. 8 into 2, 16. 12 plus 16 is 28. Remember that. Plus 18, 46. So this becomes 46. 9 into 3, 27. 8 into 2, 16 becomes 43. And then finally 8 into 3 becomes 24. So my answer is 4, 5, 1 1. This is my answer. We'll take one final 3-digit number set. 8854 into 459. Okay, so what we do? 8 into 4 32, 8 into 5 40, plus 5 into 4 20, 60. Then 8 into 9 72, 72 plus 16, it is 88, 88 plus 25 is 113. Then I do 5 into 9 45, 45 plus 20 is 65. Then I do 9 into 4 36. On simplifying this, we get 6. When you add, we get 6. Okay, we get 6, 8, 9 and 11. We write it as 1 with 1 carry. 6 plus 2 plus that 1 carry will get 9. So 3, 9, 1, 9, 8, 6 is the answer. Now we have done the warm-up, we have done the pre-work, and our real intention was to do 4-digit multiplication similarly. Okay, 4-digit multiplication again would be the same. Cross, when you can cross, if you can't do cross, you do vertical. Let us look at a number 5566 into 3322. So how do you do it? First you do 5 into 3. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, then 3, 2, 1. 1 meaning 5 and 3. 2 is 5, 5, 3, 3. 3 is 5, 5, 6, 3, 3, 2. 4 is the entire set. 5, 5, 6, 6, 3, 3, 2, 2. And again we come to 3, which is 5, 6, 6, 3, 2, 2. And then we get 2 set 6, 2, 6, 2, and then we get 1, which is 6 and 2. Okay, what is 5 into 3? 15. So I write 15 here. This 15 comes from here. What is this set? 15 plus 15, 30. I write 0 with 3 carry. This is coming from here. Then when you do this, you do cross of these two and then vertical here. So 5 into 2 plus 6 into 3 is 18 plus 10, 28. Remember that. Then this vertical 5 into 3 is another 15. So I get 43. So I write 43 here. 3 with the carry of 4. This is coming from here. Then if I have to do cross here, I do cross of these 4 numbers and then cross of these 2 numbers. So cross of the outer 2 numbers is 5 into 2, 10 plus 6 into 3, 18, which is 28. And cross of the inner 2 numbers is 5 into 2, 10 plus 6 into 3, 18, which is another 28. Okay, so I get 56. So I write 6 and then 5. Now again we get cross of these two and vertical here. 5 into 2, 10 plus 6 into 3, 18, which is 28 plus 12, 40. And then 6 into 2 plus 6 into 2, 12 plus 12, 24. And then 6 into 2, 12. So if I have to simplify, I get 2, I get 5, I get 2, I get 10, I get 9, 4, 8, 1. 1849, 0252. This is one way. As you practice, right? As you practice, you would not even need this step. You will get the answer from here only, and you don't have to do all these steps. You will do this mentally. Let me just erase and make space for the next question. Okay. Let's look at another number set. Let's look at another number set. Let's look at 7. Okay, 7349 multiplied by 2456. Okay, corresponding, I'll do 1, 2, 3, 4 and 3 to 1. 1 would be 7 into 2. 2 is 7, 3, 2, 4. 3 is 7, 3, 4, 2, 4, 5. 4 is this entire set. 7, 3, 4, 9 and 2, 4, 5, 6. This set is 3, 4, 9 and 4, 5, 6. 2 set is 4, 9 and 5, 6. And then we have 9 and 6. So firstly 7 2s are 14. I write here because of this. Then 7 into 4, 28 plus 3 into 2, 6. 28 plus 6, 34. Then I do 7 into 5, 35. 35 plus 8, 43. Remember 43. 43 plus 4 into 3, 12. 55. Now here 7 into 6, 42. 42 plus 2 into 9, 18, which is 60. Remember 3 into 5, 15 plus 4 into 4, 16. 16 plus 15 is 31. 91. Then here 91 comes from this. Then 3 into 6, 18. 18 plus 36, which is 54. Remember 54. 5 into 4, 20. 74. Then I do 4 into 6, 24. 24 plus 45 is 69. And then I do 9 into 6, which is 54. My answer is 4. 9 plus 5, 14. 6 plus 4 plus 1 is 11. 7 plus 1 plus 1 is 9. 9 plus 5 is again 14. 5 plus 4 plus 1 is 10. 1 carry. 4 plus 3 plus 1, 8. And then 1. 18049144. Okay, let me look at one more problem and create some space and create a blank slide. Okay, let's look at probably an easy set to see how it works. 1, 2, 3, 4. I could have done this problem initially so that it would be clear for everyone. So again, I do first set is set 1 and set 2 is 1, 2, 4, 2. All of this you don't have to write. You will get to know when you are solving. As you are solving, you do not write these steps. You keep this in your mind. Okay. No one is giving you marks for writing this. It is just to ensure that when we are explaining, it is clear for everyone, and even our friends who find it hard can follow. 2 and then 4, 1. So first 1 into 4. 1 into 4 I do 5. Then 1 in, this is from here. 1 into 4, sorry, 1 into 4, 4. Okay, then 1 into 2, 2 plus 8, 10. I carry 1. And then 1 into 3, 3 plus 12, 15. 15 plus this 4, 19. Then I do this cross. 1 into 1 plus 4 into 4 is 17. 17 plus 6 plus 6. Okay, 17 plus 12, 29. Then I get that. Then I do this 2 plus 8, 10. 10 plus 9, 19. Then I get 3 plus 12, 15. Then I get 4. So my answer is 4, 5, 0 with 1 carry. So this will be 9, 10, 11. And it will be 9 plus 2 plus 1, which is 12. And I get 1 and 1 carry will be there. So 2, 4 plus 1 will be 5. So my answer is 5221054. And probably a final problem before we wind up. 7134 multiplied by 5328. Okay. So what is the one set, which is 75? What is the two set? 7153. What is the three set? 713532. What is the four set? 71345328. As you are solving, right after we finish the video, as you are solving, try solving without creating these boxes. And if you solve it mentally, you know how awesome the step is and how fast you can solve. Okay, 7 into 5, 35. 7 into 3, 21 plus 5, 26. 7 into 2, 14 plus 15, 29. 29 plus 3, 32. 7 into 8, 56. 56 plus 20, 76. Remember, then 2 plus 9, 11. 76 plus 11 is 87. 8 plus 12, 20. 20 plus 6, 26. 24 plus 8, 32. And then 8 into 4, which is 32 again. So my answer is 25990 with 1 carry, 018338009952. So my friends, see, we've looked at multiplication using a method that was followed in our ancient days, which is Urdhva Tiryagbyam, which means vertical and cross. When you can't do cross, you do vertical. And we looked at multiplication of two two-digit numbers, then we looked at multiplication of two three-digit numbers. Now we looked at multiplication of two four-digit numbers, and we've seen how fast that is. Okay, the only thing to remember is that as you practice, you would not be writing this, you would solve this in your mind. So when you get these numbers, you will just solve it as it is and in one step without wasting pen, paper, and most importantly, without wasting time, you will get the answer. So if you liked our shortcut, thanks to our Indian ancestors, please click the thumbs up sign, share this video with your friends, share the channel with your friends, and subscribe to our channel. If you haven't, you will see the subscription button right below, and you can click on the bell icon and get notified whenever we upload new videos. And for all the courses and tests, I suggest and request you to use our website sevensenstalent.com, sign up and log in and start using our resources. So I hope you have enjoyed this video like you enjoyed the other videos as well. Thank you so much for your time, and hope to see you soon. Enjoy the rest of the day.